Hi, welcome back to the Distributed Learning Community Seminar. So just a quick couple things. I wanted to check in. I'm using a new software, so hopefully each week will start out this way, although it's taken me 4 takes to get to this point. Practice makes perfect. We'll see how it goes. Let me know what you think. I'm going to try and get your faculty to use this more to be able to kind of explain to you what they want you to get out of the class and provide a little more of that engagement lecture piece that people have reported that they're missing. So just a couple quick things. I'm going to keep this brief. First, let's start by looking at the syllabus. If you pull up the syllabus, there's a couple things I want to point out to you. The first is that this summer, this course is a bi-weekly seminar. So you'll be meeting 5 modules, and each module is 2 weeks. If you scroll to the bottom, you can see it talks about your blog posts. So this is the only activity that you'll be doing this semester will be through your blog posts. Blog posts will be submitted Friday at midnight of the second week of the module. So your first blog post is actually going to be this Friday. And then it'll be week 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. And then by Sunday at midnight of each week, you'll be responding to 2 to 5 of your colleagues. Each of the initial blog posts will be worth 10 points, and then your group of responses for that module will be worth 10 points. So each module is worth up to 20 points, and times 5, that's 100. And you'll note here that you need to get greater than 80% or 80% or greater than to be able to pass the course. So that's really the only change for this semester is that you're going to be working in 2-week modules, and the only activity we'll be doing is your blog post. So I want to show you just something else that I added for you to kind of try and help alleviate some of the stress that I know you guys are experiencing. Right here it says printable posting schedule for summer 2012. So if you haven't already noticed this, I might encourage you to open that up, print it out, post it by your computer, put it in your binder, whatever works for you. But it has each module and the date of each post and when it's due. So you'll notice module 1, June 15th, which is this coming Friday, you'll have an initial post by midnight. On June 16th, I will review your posts and respond to them. June 17th, peer replies, so that'll be when you reply to your peers, and here it says a minimum of 3, but 2 to 5 significant posts is fine. And then June 18th, the day I close the module, I'll post your grade to the Moodle grade book. So that'll just give you an idea of kind of where we're going in this class. Here you'll notice that I've included the link gaining access to Google Sites. So if you haven't done that, take the ATI survey, follow the video and take the survey, and you should show it back in your Google websites. If it doesn't, and I know some of you have done it and it still hasn't shown up, let me know, because I'll follow up with the help desk for you. Here I included the guide to APA resources, the Illuminate quick reference guide for those of you who need to brush up on that. And then you go to Module 1. You'll notice again I have a brief intro, the posting schedule, and then click here to enter your blog, and it takes you straight to our Google site. Again, if you've not done the ATI survey, you need to do that. And if you have done it and clicking that link doesn't take you where you need to be, you need to let me know, and I can try and troubleshoot that for you. So that's about it. Again, it's going to be 5-week modules. One little quick heads up, in week 3 or 4, I'm actually going to be in Ecuador teaching the class. And so what I'm hoping is that a few of you would be willing to do an optional Illuminate session with me. I just want to test the system out and see how it works while I'm down there. It's not required, but if anyone wants to check in or anyone wants to see some pictures of the places that I'm traveling, feel free to join us for that. So I'll send out an email with a link when it gets closer. Thanks so much. It's great to see you, and I'll talk to you soon.